Hi guys, today we are making a carrot and red lentil soup. A soup to warm your soul and your body. For the soup, you're going to need carrots. Obviously, I'm using 4. You're going to need red lentils. Soak them. That is very important. 3 garlic cloves. Red onion to bring out the sweetness of the carrot. Cinnamon, turmeric. Oh, my house is just going to smell like my mother's house. Yes. Do stay tuned to see how it's done. Alright, and we've got 1 whole red onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 celery stick, 2 chili peppers, salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When this softens, we are adding the carrot and lastly the lentils, which are soaking. My lentil and carrot soup. Oh my goodness. Oh, the sweetness of the cinnamon comes together with the carrot and the sweetness of the red onion. Ooh. Then you've got the heat of the turmeric coming together with the lentils. It all just works. Then I've put on a dollop of plain yogurt and there's some parsley there. A must.